I actually painted a total of 8 murals for the city bus train service, which is called Metro. And there are wooden bus shelters all over town to stand in out of the rain. And there was a beautification project to cut down on graffiti, inviting artists to make paintings in them. And I thought it would be really interesting to define a Jewish corner. So I made 4, north, south, east, west, from a certain intersection in northeast Seattle. And they were up for, I think, about 15 years. They weather, and so eventually they get taken down. And people like them, and they miss them. And I think it helped convey a sense of place. The subject matter was Yiddish folk songs, and the words and the music were painted, as well as some illustration illustrating the song. I had stories of people from Israel and newcomers from Russia and different people demanding that cars be stopped because they saw Yiddish on the street. This I painted originally in 1996 for one of the bus shelters. This is a song by Gebertig, Minuten von Betochen. Jeden soll sein freilich, schein nicht lang, ich hoff. Es geht bald die Malchoma, es kommt bald sehr sof. Freilich nur nicht sorgen und nicht herumgehen trieb. Hat Geduld betochen und nimmt als unverlieb. So he wrote this in Krakow in 1940. He was shot in Krakow in 1942. And in 1957, I had a birthday party. And my birthday's right near Purim, so I usually had Purim parties. So this is from a photo my mother took of me and my friends. And I know where all those people are, and I've talked to all of them in the last year. And this was up for years, and then it was taken down because of maintenance, and people missed it. And so I actually redid this panel, just this panel. But they kept changing the paint on me, and this faces south, so the faces were warmer and the cheeks were redder before it faded.